When you fall asleep, I watch you for a minute, 'cause you look so pretty. Where do I begin? It's hard to find words to describe something I can't compare. Sorry I didn't respond for a week. I was in class and then I fell asleep. Woke up late for work and left my phone at home. I didn't mean to leave you hanging there all alone. Sorry I left you on red for the day. I couldn't think of anything worthwhile to say. I don't know just yet who you take me to be, and I don't want to spoil your impression of me. Oh, this is just what I do, pushing you away, though I want to be close to you. When you fall asleep, I watch you for a minute, 'cause you look so pretty. Where do I begin? It's hard to find words to describe something I can't compare. And it could be minutes or hours before you wake up, and I'll still be awake, but I won't interrupt. I'll just hold you while running my hand through your hair. One forever won't be enough. I'll need as many as I can get. The same song's been stuck in my head for months, but I'm not getting tired of it yet. I never thought I'd know what happy felt like, especially if I wasn't on my own. But ever since you've been a part of my life, I'd rather be with you than be alone. And when I hear you sing, of course it isn't perfect, but I've always felt special each time that I've heard it. And you may not think it sounds great, but it's lovely to me.